Hello.
Hello. Going to eat first. What? Love, Nanay and Claire.
Birthday mo today?
Have a gift for me.
Ha? May ko-gift sa mo.
Mrs. Card.
A card lang?
We're inflating a balloon. Hello, we're making a piha now. I like it.
Hello.
Hello. What's the shape? Oh, I need a shadow. Nanay, why you good at painting? Because you are practicing? These were my giveaways for my classmates. Baby Barcelona. So cute, right? It's my birthday today. Join me.
It's a B-day for Claire.
My birthday is Maya the Bee. There's a place somewhere nearby, amongst the flowers and the morning dew. It's a secret paradise. Everybody's waiting just for you. Yes, here comes Maya the Bee, with the greatest friends that you ever see. Yes, here comes Maya the Bee, with a brand new story just for you and me. Yes, here comes Maya the Bee, with a brand new story just for you and me. This is the beehive, and this is the balloons, and this is the sunflower. There's a baby bumblebee and a mommy bumblebee, and here's my name. This is my birthday cake. It's Maya the Bee. Going to eat first. Guess what I do, okay? It's a cookie.
No?
And what's this?
It's chicken nuggets and sauce. Ay, that na naman. Alam mo naman
I guess what is it?
Nanay and Claire watching the moon and the stars.
Ah, okay.
Got it. Go.
Never see. BTS, we
the Disney princesses.
Yes.
No? Princess Anne. Oh my god.
Oh, really? From Nanay. Oh, thank you, Nanay.
Welcome.
Open it. What? I like it. Thank you, Nanay.
Welcome.
What?
Ah.
I like cats. Cats is the best. So heavy. To Claire from Nanay. Ooh. A book. It's beautiful. I like it. Nanay, how to open this?
Ano, yan tayo.
Ah, Santa
Kasi
Claus.
she loves Christmas.
My favorite part is
Which one?
all everything.
What?
Thank you, KaFam, for watching my birthday vlog. Thank you for all your greetings. My favorite part is everything. I'm happy. I'm 7 years old now.